morning, guys. I am up, I am in my office, and I'm getting ready to work out. And in order to get ready to work out, I need my Zip Fizz. Oh, pink lemonade. Oh, today's gonna be great. Oh yeah. I'm still not gonna say that's getting easier, but just not as traumatic as it used to be. Okay guys, you know the deal. If we want it to be a good day today, we've got to shake the bad off. You know what I'm talking about? So in 3, 2, 1. To a great day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, pink lemonade is gonna make it a great day. So I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna get to it. Milton, Madeline. You tired already, bub? You tired already, Bubby? You're so cute, Milton. Of course you are, yep. Okay, you guys, you know how I've been waking up super early because 2019 is the year to get things accomplished, right? So I wake up at 5 o'clock every morning and like by 8:30, I am ravenous. Like I am so hungry. So waking up earlier has really made it difficult to eat later in the day. Like around 9 o'clock this morning, I was so considering just shoving a Hero bar in my mouth and like not telling you about it. I was just like, you know what? Just to tide me over till I can really eat and like really film what I'm eating. But thank goodness I distracted myself and I drunk my water. Like it's really hard. And so I finally, thank goodness, got to the point where I could have a real breakfast. And I mean, look how good this is. I have 3 eggs right here. I have bacon. I have my sausage. Like this is gonna be great and I'm glad that I made it. But to be honest, I really don't know how. Like I need to be more disciplined and be like, look Autumn, you might be up at the crack of dawn, right? But like we're not eating. Today it was just like a mental struggle and I'm glad I overcame it, but I kind of feel like I lucked out where I need to be more intentional in sticking to the rules that I have for myself just because I got goals. So I'm gonna eat this, thank God, and then I'll probably have an Atkins bar, which I show you. I'm gonna have an iced drink and then back to work. Okay, so I was super famished and that breakfast hit the spot. But now it's dessert time. I have an Atkins bar. I didn't really feel like trying to create another fat bomb for this week, so I'm having these and then I'll probably do more fat bomb experimentation next week. I do have the little mini keto brick in the refrigerator that I'm gonna have as an afternoon snack and I'm very excited. But for right now, you cannot beat the classic Atkins bar. It's just so sweet. It's just so rich. So I restocked on gum and I'm also very excited about that. I have this Trident sugar-free cinnamon and then I also got a bubblegum flavor. I'm gonna be depending on these to, you know, help with that mental satiation that it's time to stop eating and focus on work until my next meal. So I'm gonna have a piece of this and then probably have my coffee and keto brick. Got my coffee and my brand new mug says too fit to quit. No truer words have ever been spoken. But even more excitingly, I have my little keto brick bombs. If you remember from my meal prep video, I melted down a keto brick and separated them into 6 portions. This is the cookies and cream keto brick. I think the regular one or the original one is more of like a coffee flavor, but this is cookies and cream. They just released a coconut. Like, I mean, Keto Brick is doing huge things. I'm gonna put a link in the description below if you wanna look at the website and just see what the Keto Brick is about and possibly order some. But like, these things go like New Kids on the Block tickets, okay? If you're not at your computer pressing buy when they release them, like, you're not gonna get them. So set a reminder. Okay, but I've never had a cookies and cream one before. I've only had really a bite of one when I was with Matt and Mega at their house, so I'm going to try this. It looks delicious. Like, I'm here for the milky consistency. I mean, it's almost the same color as my coffee. Okay. This is really good. I love the crumbly consistency. It's almost gritty, but like in a good way, question mark? Like, I don't know how I feel, but like there are some little pieces of something in there. Like, I don't know if those are chocolate chips or little pieces of like coffee bean or something. I'm a fan of this. You definitely get coffee. You definitely get sweetness. Like, I don't know what else is in here, but this is great. Like, I'm a fan. I'm gonna have this and my coffee, and then it'll be roast time. Yes. Tell me this don't look like macaroni and cheese. Like, oh my gosh. I mean, it is Thanksgiving on my plate right now. Like, what? I cannot wait to try this. I mean, look at that. Oh, going in for the cauliflower, because we all know that I know how the roast tastes. Mmm. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is cheesy. This is savory. Woo! It's regular food. Oh my god. Going in for the roast that I've already put some extra hot sauce on, because y'all know how I like it. Roast. Oh my goodness. I'm cutting the camera off right now. Like, I'm eating this. You guys, make all of this. Okay. I've decided I'm gonna make a recipe video. You guys, I'm gonna start making recipe videos. My meal preps are only to serve as inspiration. Like, I'm showing you what I'm eating so that you can think about, maybe I would like something similar to that. Let me do some Google research to like find a recipe. My meal preps aren't made to be followed step by step. They're just kind of to give you an idea so that you can look for a recipe on your own. But when I make up something off the dome that's like this good, I have to tell you step by step how to make it. So I'm gonna make a recipe video for this just so you can know I've outdone myself. Bye, I'm gonna eat. Okay guys, that stuff was just great. I mean, I think I just like went into a trance eating it. Like, I just blinked and it was all gone and I just felt so satisfied. Now it's Jello time. I'm gonna have this. I have a Powerade that I'm drinking. To be honest, I drank 2 ice drinks today and like, I wanna be better at that. Even though I did drink a lot of water as well, I still ended up drinking multiple ice drinks and I really wanna cut back, but that's what tomorrow's for, is to be better and to do better. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna enjoy these and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Watch Autumn Keto. I make weekly meal preps, weekly What I Eat Wednesdays, monthly weigh-ins, monthly keto crate unboxings, and the occasional product review. And I'm about to come to y'all with some recipes, cause like, I be killing it out here sometimes. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook at Watch Autumn Keto. Thanks, and I'll see you next week.